Yes, YouTube. Good afternoon and welcome back again. Our entry got hit perfectly. As you guys can see now, BTC is expanding. The thing is, the S&P reached my take profit all-time high again, and what you can see is that the S&P becomes bearish now. I think that's something positive to see some volume coming back into Bitcoin, right? The thing is, we just expanded on the 786 on the 50 minute, as I showed you guys yesterday, and I also noticed that the 1 hour has a hidden bullish divergence, so that's a double confirmation that you can expect more expansion, right? We have to check it day by day on the 1 hour, because I showed you guys some other blocks on the upside which can figures as resistance for the coming days, right? So again, guys, welcome back. I'm grateful to be back again, full of energy, and let's break this thing down together, right? So with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is how perfectly our entry got hit here after retracement on the 786, right? The thing is, now we're expanding and we become bearish a little bit on the RSI because we came for buy side liquidity above this wicks here. There is an order block here, that's why I take profit on the middle line of this order block here. So the thing is, we have to just be patient, trust our model, don't forget to pay yourself, because we never know where this market is going, right? The thing is, if you go to the S&P, you can see, if you go to the S&P to the daily time frame, you can see that we hit our take profit level here, right? All-time high again. You can see that the daily and the 8 hour becoming a little bit bearish now after hitting all-time high. So we can expect a little bit downside. I don't know how far, but we have to check it, right? The thing is, we have here some support levels coming in. We have some fair value gaps. So high possibility that we will see downside for the S&P, which is possible, which is positive for Bitcoin, right? So again, guys, don't forget to take some profits. If you want to take this kind of trades together with me, I negotiated some very nice benefits for you guys. Go to today's video's description. You can see, if you click on the description, the second link, Blovin, is now one of my favorite exchanges at the moment. If you click it, you can you don't need any KYC or anything. You can take advantage of 5k bonuses. So it's up to you what you want to do. Stick to this video, stick to the end, because I want to show you guys a new entry for the current trade that we are in to catch the next ride up, right? Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's go back to the chart. So what you can see is that we're heading to our first take profit level, what is also our order block here on the 50-minute time frame. So what we can expect after BTC comes for buy side liquidity, we can expect a pullback, right? Because orders got filled. So that's actually what happened. Sellers taking over, orders got filled, and price comes down again. So the thing is, if we want to catch the next entry, if you're not in a trade yet, then it's just waiting for a Fibonacci retracement. You can see how nicely this 50 line got hit. You can also see that we have an order block here on the 618, right? So what I should do, and again, this is not financial advice, but if you're not in the trade, if I was not in the trade, I will enter here on the 618 on this order block to eventually catch the next ride up, right? Next TP level is 64.6k to eventually take profits. It's also buy side liquidity above this wicks here, and it's also order block here, right? So again, guys, stay updated. Follow me on X, because when I'm not recording videos, I'm active on X and I keep you guys updated there. So you can find the link in the description to my X and follow me there, and I will keep you guys updated, right? So that's a little bit a quick update on BTC. You know, let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum also same situation. There's a crazy fair value gap here on the downside. So usually what you see with fair value gaps is that they act as a magnet. They need to fill, actually, to yeah, I don't know the exact reason why they fill it, but I think it's an imbalance in the order book that needs to fill, right? So again, you know, fair value gap underneath us, it's also the 618 or the 786 on Fibonacci retracement. There is buy side liquidity here on the top, as I dropped before, as I showed you guys also on my X profile. So what I'm expecting for Ethereum, especially because you see that Ethereum is not really reacting on BTC price action, because yeah, you can see that there's a decoupling happening now between Ethereum and BTC. That means that Ethereum becomes more dominant, and that it's literally starts living its own life now at the moment, right? So again, price action, BTC, wait for retracement to eventually enter on the 618 middle of fair value gap to eventually come for buy side liquidity above this wick here, right? So that's a nice scalp trade for Ethereum. Of course, we're in a discount market. There's a high possibility that Ethereum goes way higher. But one thing I've learned in my trading career now at this moment is just to take profits, right? Because we never know where this market is going. We never know what's happening in the world. You know, one crazy tweet can wreck us, and I know that from experience. So again, a nice small scalp trade for Ethereum here. Let me check. To enter on fair value gap to eventually catch the first TP at 1924, right? So this is a little bit a nice scalp trade for Ethereum. Let's see where we can put our stop loss, because if we lose this 786, there's a possibility that we come for sell side liquidity underneath this wicks here. So, you know, always do proper risk management, max 5% of your total account. And if you want to take this kind of trades together with me, go to today's video's description, go to Blowfin, sign up, take advantage of your bonuses. So guys, a quick update on BTC and Ethereum. Follow me on X, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and with that said guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.